Hello Stephen, this is Joe. Quick message on behalf of JNChangtai-Laser. Just a quick demonstration of the 300 watt pulse machine. As you can see, it is a tidy wee unit, not too big, easily moved about. Quite a long hose on it, and a nice head. I'm going to show you a quick demonstration on some steel, some car parts. I'm trying to relate to what you're going to be using it on. This is just a quick repair that I've done within about a minute or so, which did look like this. So make of a car, which I spent about a minute on. You can see bringing it back to metal, very smooth finish. Spend about 10 minutes or so on that, and it should be completely bare metal and ready for traffic paint. So I'll go ahead and give you a quick demonstration. Put my glasses on for protection. This laser width, I have it quite set and narrow. It can go a lot wider, but for this video and these parts I have it set narrow, okay? Okay. That's obviously maybe 10 seconds, 10-15 seconds maximum. You can see on the other side, rust paint flaking. Water pump from a 26-year-old Skyline. Fantastic piece of kit. Highly recommend it. I'm restoring my old Skyline and a few other cars, amongst of other products. And these items are only going to value if you can get them their looks and condition to improve like this with little effort. It's a no-brainer. Spend a bit more time on that, finish the look on it, and it will look brand new. Yep. So get in touch if you're interested. Let me know what you think. Thank you.